What's up, guys? I hope everybody's having a great night tonight. Today we're going to be making a Labubu dress, like a Labubu sundress here. For this dress, we're going to be using worsted weight yarn, also known as medium weight yarn. I do recommend using a 4mm G hook. You can also use a 3.75mm F hook. You're going to need a yarn needle and some scissors. And that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's make this Labubu sundress. All right, so we're gonna start by chaining 36. So just grab whatever color you want for the dress and then chain 36. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. And we're gonna turn that into a circle here. We're gonna slip stitch into this bottom chain here. And we're gonna single crochet starting in this top chain there. And we're gonna single crochet 36, and this is gonna be round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and for 36, we're going to be going right into that slip stitch. Might be kind of hard. That's that slip you made earlier. 36. All right, so we're going to grab some guide yarn here. For round 3, we're just going to be going single crochet of 36. So for round 3, all the way around. All right, so that's round 3. So for rounds 4, 5, and 6, we're just gonna single crochet 36 all the way around. Just for the sake of the video, I'm kind of gonna fast forward through that part. So we'll see you guys right when we're finished with round 6. All right guys, so we just finished round 6. So now we're gonna move on to round 7. So for round 7, we're gonna wanna be in the front loops only. We're gonna single crochet 5 and then increase. Repeat that 6 times for a total of 42 stitches. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then increase, and then repeat that all the way around. All right, so for round 8, we're gonna single crochet and increase, repeat that 21 times for a total of 63 stitches. So single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, and we're just gonna repeat that all the way around here, guys. Hi, I'm Michael from Knotmonster. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please take the time to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you can be the first to see my new videos and new content. If you want to learn more about crochet or you want to see more patterns, I have an Etsy store. Check it out. It's knotmonster.etsy.com. Or if you want a paperback version, I do have books on Amazon. I've got books such as my Pink Edition book, my Balloon Animal book, and my Knotmonsters Potted Plant book. Those are all available paperback copies at Amazon. Just search Knotmonsters in the search bar. Anyways, let's get back to the crochet. Okay, so for round 9, we're just gonna single crochet all the way around 63 times. So just single crochet all the way around. All right, so for our last round here, we're just gonna single crochet and increase 31 times. It's gonna get us all the way pretty much to the end, and then we'll just single crochet on the last stitch there. So again, single crochet and an increase, repeat that 31 times, and then end it with a single crochet. So single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, and just repeat that all the way around till we get to the end. All right, so let's tie off here. And we're gonna sew in all those loose ends. Let's take out our guide yarn, sew in the loose ends. right, and we're gonna try this little dress on for size here. On our Labubu. Okay, it's a pretty good fit. So you can stop here, or we can also continue doing the shoulder straps. So next we're gonna do the shoulder straps. Okay, so for the strap, we're just gonna chain 12 here. That's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Pull that through, and then we're gonna attach it to our doll here, Labubu. I already did the other arm here just for the sake of the video. What you wanna do is just kind of align where you want this to be. I do find that making it about 8 stitches apart for the armpit actually is pretty good. We just gotta find out where we want it to align here. I think right there, this stitch right here is a pretty good spot to align it. So I'm just gonna hook this in here for now, just kind of like as a place marker. We'll take the dress off, and then we'll sew in this loose end here. Let's just sew in the loose end. And then again for the armhole, I made 8 stitches and like an 8 stitch gap here just for that armhole here. I'm gonna do the same on this side. So let's count 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we just tied in those loose ends. We're gonna try on the dress here. Okay. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. That's our Labubu dresses. I hope you guys had a great time making these. I know I sure did. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe. Also tag me at Knotmonster on Instagram. I'd love to see your guys' creations. I'd love to see how they turned out. I hope again you guys had a great night tonight crocheting with me. Thanks again for doing so, and we'll see you in the next video.